Hey, what's going on around Wolf Lake, Mississippi? Hey, what's going on around Wolf Lake, Mississippi? Panama Red, West Coast, got down. Got it all, Panama Black, no doubt about it. You're smoking out here on the west side, man. I had to bump it down. I heard your fine self and your fine radio station. That didn't sound right. Your fine self, man. That didn't sound right. Let me correct myself. Hey, I heard your masculine voice. Hey, Blade, I heard your masculine voice. Bye, bye, bye.
Mr. Machete, SwitchBlade is right back.
Got it all. Yeah, I've been hearing you in and out, up and down, but I just haven't had real good Mother Nature with you, man. I heard you out there talking to Hawaii and our good friend Mod Squad, and I heard you up in there. But I heard you up in there yesterday too. I heard you up in there yesterday talking to Seven. No doubt about it. I always hear you, man. You know the deal. You know the deal. Panama Black, Panama Red on the West Coast, left coast, break, break, break.
I can hear y'all, man. I told you. Y'all. 809 said you and 766 were talking to 747. I could not hear y'all down here in Mississippi when the dust settled. I could not hear y'all. But I told 809 for about 15, 20 minutes. Hell, 30 minutes. I will tell you, worldwide Machete, SwitchBlade, Wolf Lake, right back.
Got it all, sounding some kind of wonderful. No doubt about it, man. You sounded good, like you always do. Yeah, that 809, he gets in the way from time to time. 809, get in my way from time to time. No doubt about it, working his bees. But I'm gonna stand down. Good to hear, my friend. My tag in the mag. Worldwide. You worldwide. Hey, SwitchBlade, you know you're worldwide? Worldwide Blade, Machete, west side, left side. I'll see ya. I'll be in the bushes. Bye, bye, bye.
Hey, 766, I hear you. I heard you keyed up 3 times. Machete got back. Hey, Machete, but you're right. I am worldwide. That's right. I am worldwide, but I'm a worldwide nut dog. Hey, Machete, SwitchBlade, keep on your mic. Oh, shit, it's your nothing. I'm a worldwide nut dog. You know big boy. You know boss. Don't want to be, ain't never gonna be. Take care, Machete, SwitchBlade, the biggest mud duck in Mississippi, by boom.
Got it all. You got it locked down right now. You got it locked down. I hear y'all. You're like 24/7. You're like 24/7. You never know when you're going to pop up, man. I sometimes I just sit back here and read the mail. You know what I mean? To hear you talking Australia. You know, it could be 2 o'clock in the morning. I hear you, man. I hear you all the time. I hear you out in the Mobile. Hey, Blade. Put it on you later. Panama Black. Worldwide Mr. Machete. Panama Red on the west side. I'll see ya. Yeah, me and Big Papa Showstopper, we out there last night. We were playing around with 7. Me and Big Papa Showstopper were going to 7, man, no doubt about it. So I told him, we kept on keying on each other. We tried to key on each other. So we said, I told him I'd meet him at the OK Corral. I couldn't do nothing with Big Papa. Take care, my friend. Worldwide Blade, Blade, Blade. Panama Black, Panama Red. I'll see it.
Funny something though, man. You on top that time. I heard her back there. I heard something 6'6" back there, but she was on top that time. Hey, Machete, you said okay. You said you told him about the OK Corral last night going to South 47, and now he's trying to flip it back on you. Talking about he'll meet your back. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love it. Listen, oh my goodness, what y'all crazy. Take care, Machete. Take care of something. 6'6" Switchblade, my man.